Hi guys, it's Angie and I'm coming today to talk about a few things and let you know what I've been doing besides little houses. Um, I decided to join Michelle and Abby on the Nik the Booksmith course club. Yeah, I'm kind of calling it the club. Um, she came out with um, a journal that I have been sitting on for a couple of months and thinking and contemplating, am I really ready for this, type of adventure? So I talked a little bit to Michelle. Thank you so much, Michelle, for helping me with some questions that I'd had. Anyways, I decided to do it. I decided to purchase it. I decided to work through the course. It is the most amazing course I've ever taken. I have taken a lot of courses and learned a lot of art throughout my career of being an artist, but this one thing I really, really enjoyed. I just want to tell you, Nik, how of an amazing teacher you are. You simplify things and you make it fun, and I absolutely adore your sense of humor. So that's a plus for me. If you can laugh and be, silly, I'm all for it. So, anyways, guys, this is called a traveling junk journal with a kit in it, and I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough with you on my first one. Um, so I think this is something well, it isn't something. This is definitely, you're gonna see more of these. I'm gonna be making these, and I took a couple of her other classes too. I think I have found that I'm more simplistic with the journal world. Um, so you'll kind of see my style throughout this. So anyways, let's get started. So this is so you can get a rough estimate. This is approximately around 8 and 3/4 by 6 if you're from here to here. So this is oh, it has a curved spine, and I have a tight closure here, and it has ephemera and all kinds of stuff. But here's the outside. So it has a hard cover, as you can see there, or here actually. And so this is my day book, you guys. I decided to put day book, and then my first thought is I wanted to put a book plate, but I'm learning, right? So we went with this, and I just kind of did a little collage here. And then this on the back, I used some canvas for the spine, and this is, called the collector. This is the collector's day book of things, and I kind of went with a little bit of the nature kind of feel with my you guys know how big I am into nature and stuff. So anyways, here's the surprise inside. I'm so excited. So okay, so you open it up, and then I just did some sari, and then I had this really cool like measuring tape ribbon that I had put for the closure. So you tie it up like this, and you open it up here. So you start off with the little pocket here. So there's a pocket, and then it comes with a bunch of ephemera that I have put in here. And then I just put a little tag here with my key, of course. And then it says thank you, and then my signed signature on the back. And this is some of the ephemera that is in here. So I'll just let you see a few of the things in here. This is all on cardstock. And I don't know, I have a thing with the number 5. I love the number 5. I just like the way it looks. And so anyway, so here's some more ephemera, and then here's some trim that I put on a tag and wrapped around the tag. And then here is some sari ribbon. So you open this, and you've got some ribbon, some sari silk in there. And then I threw in some extra paper, some ledgers, some dictionaries, some tea stained papers. And then here, you guys, here's the day book that comes in this traveling kit. And what's really cool about this is it's removable. So if you want to work on your journal or your little day book journaling and you want to take it out, you can. So it comes out like this. How cool is that, right? Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so another canvas spine, and then here's your journal. And then I designed some paper in Photoshop here for the front, and it says Fluttering Flight. And then I call these bitty bits. I don't know. Everybody's doing a little collage stuff, and I just kept all my thread in scraps and bundled my thread up, and so there we go, some bitty bits, I guess. So here's the pages that I have in the journal. And like I said, this is more of a simplified journal, and I think that's kind of why I decided to do it. So here we go. More Teasum ledger paper. And like I said, this is my very, very first, experience with doing journals and junk journals and building boxes and books from the ground up. Her course is built from the ground up, you guys. Everything is homemade, and I think that is really cool. So we got a time card in there and some tabs. And some more papers. And another little pocket in there. And then some more tabs. And then some paper to journal on. Just a little tab there, metal tab. And just some little bit of sewing in here. And then dictionary paper. And then I made this little pocket back here. Okay. And this is vintage crochet string. I found it at an antique store, and it's really cool. It's like silky. I don't know. Anyway, so I just put some scrap paper in here. You know, just a little pocket in the back for some scraps and stuff. And then you just take it and you just kind of swirl around here and tie it back up. And so there's that. And then this, oh my gosh, you guys, the goodie box. So this is the box that is constructed, and then so it stays in here. And I chose to keep it a stained wood. And so on here is a big tag that a collage tag that I had made, along with a bookmark here. And then I decided to use this. I'm always looking for different kind of ideas to use for clips. So this is like an old hair clip. So I just stuck that on there. And then my rusty bits, of course. And then this has like a little knob here, and then you just pull it off the string there, and then you open it up. Oh my gosh. So the goodies. I have in here some washi tape, some pencil, a colored pencil, or these are, a colored pencil and a pencil, and then a glue pen. This is an awesome glue pen. And then in here you'll have this little tag, and you open the tag up. And I just did a little bit of the bitty bits collage on top of there. It has paper and all kinds of stuff in there. And then you open that up, and there is your needles. So there's a long needle and a short needle in there for you to use. And then an eraser. And then in here, I sewed a little bag together. I think this is tea or coffee stain bag, muslin. And then a pair of scissors. And then up here, let's see, we'll move this stuff over here. Like they said, this is jam-packed, and I'm kind of one of those things that love little jam-packed trinkets. I'm a trinket person. Anyway, so we got a little piece of fabric and a clip to use, and some cheesecloth, and then some more measuring tape ribbon. And then I just put a few more things in here. There's a little doily and some note cards. And then here, this kind of holds down your like little trinket box over here. So it's a little butterfly. And then in here you have all kinds of goodies. Tags, clothespins, rusty bits, tiles, buttons, let's see, safety pins, paper clips, thread. So you need some thread, right? Some seams, bells. I put a little key in there because I love, like I said, I love keys, and I threw 2 of them in there. Another hair clip. And then some little gypsy bells. I love those. And a wood button. And a little arrow and some bulb pins and another tile, word tile. So anyways, yeah, this is my very first junk journal adventure with Nick and the crew. Anyways, I wanted to say thank you so much, Nick, for putting on such an amazing course. I enjoyed every step of the way. I had to measure 800 times and cut once. But no, I can't wait to get started on the next one. It was a great adventure getting through this course because it's simply amazing, and I adored every step of the way, and I can't wait to get started on your other courses. I've had a ton of fun, and I truly appreciate how amazing of a teacher you are. So again, if you guys are interested in her course, I'll have her link below. I highly recommend it. Like I said, I know I waited a long time to even contemplate doing anything like this, but when I saw this was totally up my alley, and now I'm kind of hooked because I want to try her other things that I'll be I just got to get through the courses, and I'll be sharing those soon, so it'll be a surprise on which ones I took. All right, guys, thank you so much. Thank you for listening. I truly appreciate every one of you, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.